Hi everyone, in this video we are discussing the conventional approach to solve this particular question. If you are interested to find out the shortcut and the concepts involved to answer this question faster, please don't forget to check out my course where I've explained all the concepts, tips and tricks, shortcuts in great detail. You can check out the link for the same in the description. Hi everyone, please pause the video and try this next question of yours from CAT 25 the second slot, and you can resume to look at the solution. Alright, so a mixture of coffee and cocoa, 16% of which is coffee, costs rupees 240 per kg. Okay, 16% should be coffee. And another mixture of coffee and cocoa, of which 36% is coffee, is costing rupees 320 per kg. If a new mixture of coffee and cocoa costs rupees 376 per kg, then the quantity in kgs of coffee in 10 kgs of this new mixture is. So first of all, let's suppose the price of coffee is rupees X, okay, per kg, and the price of cocoa is rupees Y per kg. So from the first condition, if I take 16% of coffee, the price of coffee will be 16% of X. So 16 upon 100 into X plus, if 16% is coffee, 84% is cocoa. So the price of 84% cocoa shall be 84 upon 100 into Y. So total price is 16X upon 100 plus 84Y upon 100. That will be rupees 240, right? So we can simplify this to 0.16x plus 0.84y is equal to 240. Okay, so from the first condition, we get this particular equation. The second condition says another mixture of coffee and cocoa, of which 36% is coffee, is costing rupees 320 per kgs. So like that, we can say 36% coffee, 0.36x plus 64% will be cocoa, 0.64y. This total price is 320 per kgs, right? The next step would be to solve these two equations simultaneously and figure out the values of x and y. For that, we first start by subtracting the two equations. So we just subtract the two equations. (0.36 minus 0.16 will be 0.2x. 0.64 minus 0.84 is minus 0.2y is equal to 320 minus 240 would be 80. This equation we multiply throughout by 0.8. So we'll get 0.16x minus 0.16y is 80 into 0.8, that is 64. Right? And next step is I subtract these two equations again. So 0.16x and 0.16x will become 0. 0.84y minus 0.16y will be 1y or y. That will be 240 minus 64. 240 minus 64 shall be 176. So we'll get 1y is 176. This value of y we can substitute in any of these three equations to get the value of x. We'll get 1x as 576. So with this entire exercise, we have found out the price of coffee per kg is 176 and the price of cocoa per kg is 576. Okay. So x is 576 and y is 176. Okay. And now you can basically apply the rule of alligations. That is, the price of coffee per kg is 576 and cocoa per kg is 176. You want the final price to be 376 rupees per kg. So we put 376 in between and apply our rule of alligation. 576 minus 376 will be 200 and 376 minus 176 will be again 200. The ratio of these two numbers is basically 1:1. That means in a 10 kg mixture, you will have the ratio of coffee and cocoa as 1:1. So 5 kgs will be coffee and 5 kgs will be cocoa. The question is, what is the quantity of coffee in the mixture? The quantity of coffee is 5 kgs and that's my C option.